All right, so today's going to be February 25th, 2021, and I'm actually very, very upset with the way I traded. I passed up on a lot of good setups. I took a lot of dumb setups, and I just basically ate away at the majority of my profit for the day. So uh, overall, I'm extremely upset. Commissions are going to take away the rest of the remaining profit. And if I just would have, so we had NCLH, CAN, and then we had MARA, MARA. So kind of go over everything. To start the day, we had this push lower. It comes up, it rejects, and I was thinking maybe we can take this next 3 minute candle here for short for a 3 minute break. Then it kind of popped up, and then I was kind of thinking like, well, maybe if we break over the top, we would take this for a long, and then it got slammed down, and then I think we held this one little candle here, and then I took it short, either this candle or this candle. So I took it short, got a nice little move, scalped it, took it off. One thing I need to do out of the open, we need to scale out of positions to help get more profitability because on the first trade, we got 40 cents, got out at 45, right around here in the bottom of this candle. Didn't get the next candle here. So I need to do a better job at scaling out because the moves tend to be exaggerated out of the open. So that was trade one. And we popped up into the gray moving average, took it short, got a nice little move there. Another little scalp here, and those two trades basically netted me, 120 bucks. Today I'm only up 37, so I basically just ate away at everything. So took those two trades, got this one here. Didn't want to take that one. I felt like it was extended, but that would have been a winner. Then it kind of popped up here. We had two candles going sideways, and as it started to roll over, could have taken that for a short. So great pullback again. Popped up again. I think that's a 3 minute. Or it's 11. Yeah. So the pop up here, kind of like a little doji on the 3 minute. Nonetheless, another I guess great pullback, an exaggerated move kind of over, kind of engulfs it, take it short. Oh, I remember, yeah. There's a great pullback, take it short, popped up here. I think I would have been stopped out break even off this candle. But if I could have waited, you would have gotten a nice move lower. Here, this is a 3 minute pullback, right? So we have two candles going sideways. Even though that the PSR have flipped, push up into the moving averages, we have two candles kind of take that short for 3 minute. I don't think I took that one. I didn't take this 3 minute pullback going down. And then I just shorted it over here when this candle made a low at 76, which is not even a setup. The PSR flip, the moving averages flip. If anything, this is going to be a long for a reversal trade somewhere. But I saw the market selling off, and I saw CCL had a big move lower, and I figured this was going to follow, and I'm just throwing money away. So I didn't take this setup, great setup. I didn't take this setup, great setup, but I took this over here. So I really need to get the priorities straight and, not think that I'm better than the market. Take the setups. That's where your edge is at. Take the setups and don't worry about anything else. So NCLH, uh, great, great move today. Um, just traded poorly, I guess. Caught one, caught two, didn't do three, didn't do so one, two, 3, 4, 5, like 5 winning trades here. Just ridiculous. And then I take this one over here. That's a loser. So that was that. CAN was kind of a chop fest. So things were on the 3 minute here. So for me, I saw a nice big push up. Kind of got under VWAP for an exaggerated move lower, but then it popped up again. This candle here is a strong candle pushing up. Then we kind of get the little bit of a pullback or the retest, and it kind of pops up again. I'm expecting, kind of like an exaggerated move to the upside. You know, everything here is telling me that it's going to be kind of like a long, right? It was gapping up on the day. We had a lot of buyers step in, drive the price up. Couldn't hold under VWAP, holding VWAP on the upside. And we have a strong candle, pullback, another strong candle. So I took it long here at I think 87 when it got slammed down, took it off. It's a good setup. Not upset about that. Just upset that there was 15 good setups and I only took half. So and the ones I took were the ones that were wrong. So and it kind of gets slammed down under, looking for a retest, kind of like that. Take it short under for a VWAP cross. Get a little move. I don't know if that's enough to get profit. Maybe it's enough to cancel this trade here, but I didn't take this. Spread was also kind of big, so not huge, but it was kind of like a little bit, 8 cents, 10 cents. So not a big fan of just spready stocks. And then it kind of comes back, reclaimed. That's a little bit of a pullback there. If you want, you can take this for a long. You get a little move in your favor, and then it gets slammed down. But these two trades here are definitely enough to make money back off this one losing trade. So that was that. And then I kind of decided keep having VWAP crosses all over the place, and that's not a trend. It's more of a sideways action. So I need to wait for a trend to set up to be established. We have one, two, three, four, five, six candles that are red, starting to go down. Um, and you should be looking maybe to take a trade or looking for a pullback into the moving averages now. And then that happened. So here I was kind of thinking we could take this short under 19. Market was starting to sell off, and we were kind of just pivoting out. To me, it looked like a spot to get in, and I get this exaggerated move lower, and then we get the pullback into the gray moving average, take it short, and you get stopped out. So it looks a little bit, I guess, cleaner. Well, not really. It's still kind of crappy, but entry was here. Got in at 58, basically had a few cents here, and then started to pop up, took it off. So CAN, after everything was said and done, right? Took two trades on CAN, two wrong. So we got this one that was a loser. Didn't take this, could have been a small winner. Didn't take that, could have been a small winner. Didn't take this. It's not even a trade, but I was thinking about it. Didn't take that, could have been a winner. And then we ended up taking this here, which is a loser. So as you can see, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades that we have taken. I took two were the wrong ones. The other three could have been profitable. Then we go back to MARA. Again, just poorly executed trading. I don't know. Kind of choppy out of the open, but then we get this push lower. It kind of comes back into the moving averages for a VWAP cross, right? Comes back in, and as it starts to roll over, you can take that for a short. So you have these moves here, goes back in, that's your retest, comes down, little doji, you take this short. Once it breaks, in the 70s, you get a nice move lower, that could have been a winner. Then it pops up into the gray. We have two candles at the gray, great setup, take that short. Didn't take that one either. Again, goes up into the gray, take it short, great move. This was a 3-minute great pullback. So we had the little doji candle off the 3. As it comes down, makes the new low. Basically, bottom clicked it, gets stopped out. So that happened, and then we start trending lower again. All right, we're starting to make the trend lower. You could have potentially taken that for a gray trade, right? Pops up, engulfs, take it short, get a nice move lower. And on the 3-minute, it looks clean too. Get 3 little dojis. You don't get in there, you could have gotten in there. So again, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. 5 trades on this stock. Only took one. The one was a loser, and a big loser. So overall, I'm just kind of disgusted. One had 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. So that's 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 setups. This here is not a setup. This is not a setup. It's going to be a setup. So 17, I took 1, 2. I think I only took 2 here. Maybe the third one was somewhere. So, I'm just disappointed. I need to be way more aggressive on setups that I know how to trade, not just random things. I'm just disappointed in myself, disappointed in the way that I traded today. Starting off, red hot, and I basically just gave away profit. So I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow, I can clean it up, but very disgusted and disappointed.